Hey guys, Josh here. Today we're going to just do a quick review on this dash bezel I got from Dorman. I just want to take a video for all the other fellow Dodge owners that likely have cracked dashes. So my dash bezel was broken, so I opted, especially being in Canada, like a dash bezel was over 300 American or something. That's the genuine Mopar. And I didn't figure I'd go to a junkyard because they're usually all cracked when you go to the junkyard or somebody's taking the good ones. I really believe that it's what you put on them that makes them crack, because my dash was crack free when I bought my truck 4 years ago. Everything was crack free, everything was fine. And then all of a sudden it started cracking, but I did use Armor All on it, which I am pretty sure was the culprit for that. I think it dries out the plastic, makes it brittle, some chemical, and it doesn't mix. Anyways, to get to the review, I'll just start showing you why I'm not happy with this Dorman one, and I would not recommend buying it. So we'll get started. So I bought this thing a couple days ago, and I wasn't happy with it, so I just went to the junkyard and found one. But first off, we'll start with up here. My dash is really cracked and I'm going to be replacing it this winter, but you can see this big ridge here. It really doesn't fit up there that well. There's a big ridge. It doesn't fit up there at all. It's matte black instead of like a glossy black, which I wasn't happy with. It doesn't really match like the factory one. I didn't like that. But the fit and finish of this product, guys, like up here was all right. It's a little tight though. Like it's touching my heater control here a bit. Down the side's not bad, and then the bottom, see how unsquare that is? Like it's almost touching there, and this is fine, like out. So that's off. My radio just seems way the hell out there. I don't know what's wrong with it. In my little cubby hole here, you can see where the trimming around here is just not molded very nice at all. It kind of waves in and out here. Which, I mean, I can deal with the waving and stuff here. It's not a huge deal. But my biggest thing was over here. This is pushed in all the way. But when you look, sorry, I had some greasy hands when I was pushing this on. But when you look in here, like right here, I can go right behind there. There's space back there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's tight on the top. So something's out of square. And then when I come over here, you look back here, you see light through there, don't you? This does not fit tight at all. I can't get it to fit tight in there at all. Even if I push, it hits. So it's touching tight here, so I can't get to go through there. Anyways, I think that's probably about as much as you need to know, guys. I just want to make a quick review to save somebody else the hassle. I bought this thing from Amazon for 110 bucks, 15 bucks. It's getting sent back. So I'm going to send that back this afternoon, because I went to the junkyard and I got one, and it's a little brittle, but I'm going to be very gentle with it and slide that bad boy in there, and we're going to hopefully be good to go. But not impressed with this Dorman. I'm going to put up the part number for it, and I would not suggest buying it. Not that I really want to run down Dorman, but it's not a quality product. The plastic feels alright, but fit and finish of it, guys, is not good. Anyways, just thought I'd take a quick tour and show you that. See ya. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and please give the channel a like and a subscribe. If my videos interest you, please click on my channel and check out my other videos.